is normal to use articles in English. Like we already know, we have the indefinite article a or an and the definite article the, which we can use in English. When there is only one thing, or we are talking about something for the first time, we always use the indefinite article. A book, a chair in front of consonants, and an apple, an orange in front of vowels. Also, when we talk about jobs and professions, we always use the indefinite article. A doctor, an engineer, etc. However, it is important to remember that the pronunciation is what we have to pay attention to. For example, there are some words that begin with consonants but are pronounced with a vowel, like hour. We always say an hour and not a hour. Also, there is another option. A word could start with a vowel but be pronounced with a consonant, like university or uniform. We will then say a university and a uniform, and we won't use an in front of them. The definite article is used when we are talking about something for the second time or any other time after that. There is a chair in my room. The chair is red. When we talk about objects that are unique and one of a kind, we always put the definite article, like the sun, the moon, or the earth. We also use the with names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, canals and oceans. The Atlantic Ocean, the Alps, the Canary Islands, etc. When we are introducing families, we always use the. The Jacksons, the Smiths, the Browns. These are only some of the ways to use the definite article. But there are some words in English that don't use any articles, like the names of people, cities, countries, languages, or meals.